Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is Enugu Onitsha Expressway, or should I say Awka Onitsha Express Road. So we did should I say just a little door of the road yesterday, being Saturday, to see the construction ongoing around there. The reason why I decided to do the video is that a lot of progress have been made on the second lane, because it's been 7 to 8 years now since they started this work. First of all, they completed this particular one we are running on right now, and then after many years again they shifted to the other side, and it's now taking a very long time to get the job done, which is not proper for me. So since I noticed a very tangible progress being made on that particular road, I decided to get a little glimpse of the road this time around. So when we get there, I noticed that the construction has getting to Odumodu junction, but the final work has not been done yet.
Fire is burning, candles are lit, the people are gathering.
So guys, we started this filming before the Njikoka local governments. That is where we started our filming. So along this road, you will see the constructors on site doing the needful. So we started from before Njikoka local government, then headed down to that Odumodu junction where we ended the video. So I noticed a massive progress. That is why I decided to film it. So along the road, you will see both the section that has been completed, totally completed, and the side that has not received the final touchings, like these demarcations, or should I say road caps, that has not received it, and some sections that have not received the final touchings of asphalting, and some side that are still under stone base, and the rest of them. So, but I think around that airport, I think where that has not received the final asphalting is from around that airport, or should I say from Okosu Junction axis, including the road demarcations. They have not received that around there. So when we get to that particular place, you're gonna be seeing everything for yourself. So I want you guys to tell me something. If you know the actual dates when this construction, the entire road construction began, just let us know. But I can remember vividly that this construction, I think, commenced during the tenure of Obiano, either his first term or second tenure. That is when this construction begun. So if I'm not mistaken, the construction is approximately 8 to 7 years right now. So but if you have the actual dates, let us know via the comment sections. So guys, see everything for yourself. Sorry for the video. I think when I was filming, something was on the dashboard and it's kind of reflecting on the screen. So my camera is now capturing everything, so it's now like blocking the view a little bit, but just manage the video. I decided to give you guys just this glimpse of what is currently going on that axis. Actually, I'll be honest with you, the road is very extremely dull. Like it's almost like they are not even serious about the work. They don't want to do it, because at some point they pause the work, go holidays for like 1 year, 2 years, 6 months, and the rest of them, and they will come back again and resume the work. So that is what we have been facing. People have faced a lot of issues along this road, but when the road was full of potholes, people are running one way. Even this one way currently that motorists are following, I can be honest with you, is causing a lot of accidents, because at some point of that road there's too much corner, like sharp bendings that motorists don't even know exist, and before you do it, they will collide with each other, and it claims people's lives. So I just pray that they will complete this project and hands off, let people enjoy a good road for once. The road that is long overdue. So I'm still telling you guys, if you know the date when the construction began, let us know via the comment section. So tell us what you feel about the road. Do you think abandoning the road and coming back again, does it worth it? What do you think about, what is your general thought about the road actually? Let us know via the comment sections, and don't forget to like the video, share the video, and give us your thought. So watch throughout the video. It's not that long, it's just a 9 minutes clip. So this is the popular Anambra International Airport. If you follow that road down straight, you're heading down to the Anambra International Airport, but has not received any international flight. I don't know the reason why. They have refused to, let it go international. So that is the looks of that the airport. So if you want to watch that complete airport route, I have it on this my channel. I'll be leaving the link over this video, so you can go and watch it. I made that video, I think, earlier last year or so. So when the road was going rehabilitations, like when they were putting some road curbs and some demarcations and the rest of them. So I take a film of that particular place. If you wish to watch them, you will see the link on this my video. So guys, very soon we will get down to the Odumodu junction, where we'll be calling it a day for now. So don't forget to always give us your check via the comment section. Tell us what you feel about the road. Don't feel ashamed, no insult, just politely tell us what you think about the road. Is the time wasted on this road necessary? And going forward, what do you think about the Anambra airport? And for those who are aware, what is the reason behind for them not making the Anambra airport international? What is delaying it, and what is the problem? If you know, try let us know via the comment section. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can as well suggest anywhere you want us to explore in our next video, and if you have the time and the funds, you can we can visit there and do it. So guys, just exercise little patience for us. Very soon we'll get a good phone that has a good camera, or maybe normal camera, to give you more clearer view of our exploring. Thank you guys for watching, and do have a wonderful day till we meet again in our next update. Bye.